Hey everybody, I'm about to do something I've never done before. I'm gonna make a barbecue sauce. Why? Because I don't have any barbecue sauce and I'm making barbecue ribs. And what are you doing?
Getting the ribs.
And Andrew's making me film it. I told him that I shouldn't film it because I've never made a barbecue sauce. So why would anybody watch an amateur try to make a barbecue sauce? But let's see, he's like, well, what if it turns out great and then you don't have it on video? So let's see how this goes. If you are watching this, it probably turned out okay. If you are not watching this, you will never have seen this, so we're not having this conversation right now. Okay, so I'm going through everything. The only thing I wish I had in my house that I don't have is an onion, but I'm gonna use garlic instead. Definitely gonna use ketchup. I'm definitely gonna use apple cider vinegar. I have this fig spread. Do you think that's insane or like, I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use fig spread. Apple cider vinegar, we definitely wanna use mustard. Well, I don't know about definitely, but we want to use mustard. Okay, oh, I forgot I want to get the ribs in the oven too. What's this? Oh, sun-dried tomatoes, I can use this for, oh! I just found barbecue sauce. I'll make an extra one just in case we need more because we have 2 huge racks of rib, or do you think that'll be enough for tomorrow?
Makes more.
I'll make some more. So we do have barbecue sauce. What else? Worcestershire? Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry. My fridge telling me that it was open too long. Okay. I also have something else. Come here. I use this to make French onion soup. Brandy. There's no brandy in barbecue sauce, but what if we put some brandy in barbecue sauce? Okay. And then of course, we definitely need brown sugar. So let's find brown sugar. All right, is that it pretty much? Brown sugar. I guess that's okay. So then, okay, let's go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put some garlic in here. I feel like I just wanna slice it instead of, I'll just chop it up kind of like coarse chop. I don't have a ton of garlic and I need some for my pesto sauce too. So I'll just get a little bit. All right, cutting board, let's do this. Put that on low. Grab a knife. Smash. Loosen up your garlic cloves. I'm gonna put some oil, excuse me, some oil in the pan. The garlic doesn't stick. One more. And then I'm gonna saute the garlic just on low because you don't want burnt garlic. I know that. And then I'm going to sprinkle a little brandy in there, kind of like, I don't know, it makes French onion soup taste amazing, so why not? And there we go. And I'll use a few more cloves of garlic. Maybe we can mix it in with the Sweet Baby Ray's sauce. That'll be good. Why does garlic have to come out in these tiny cloves? Like, who has time to peel that? Are you kidding me? Oh, like, really? Like, I'm gonna chop up this clove of garlic? Is that some sort of a joke? It's like the Ripley's Believe It or Not museum. Tiniest garlic in the entire world. And I need to stretch this garlic because I am gonna make a pesto sauce from a tortellini. Smash that garlic. Peel off the skin. Make sure the skin sticks to your fingers the whole time. That's a pain. Oh, you still need to be smashed, don't you? You need to be smashed. All right, that's probably enough garlic. Your hand's gonna get tired. Yes. All right. All right, I'm just gonna chop this up and put it in my pot. All right, that's as fine as I'm gonna go. Put it in the sauce. I mean, the sauce, the pot. I'm gonna take it off the heat a little bit. I do not want that garlic to burn at all. It will ruin everything. Oh, it smells like Italian cooking in here. Little do these bad boys know they'd be a barbecue sauce starter, not an Italian sauce starter. Moving that garlic around so it does not burn. You don't even want it to brown. Just gently saute. And right before it browns, we're gonna deglaze the pan with some brandy, baby. So I wanna know in the comments, have you ever made barbecue sauce from scratch? And how did it turn out? Have you ever made your own recipe for barbecue sauce? How did that turn out? Okay, this is getting brown, so I'm gonna, look out. Probably a lot more than I needed. So I'm gonna turn up my heat, cook out that alcohol, so it just leaves the flavor behind, not the part that gets you drunk. Put a little apple cider vinegar in. Give it a little tangy tang. I got it on high because I just want to get everything really jump in and blending those flavors together. I'm gonna put in some mustard. He was just saying earlier that mustard's going in. Whoops. I don't know if mustard is an ingredient in barbecue sauce, but it's an ingredient in my barbecue sauce, so there you have it. Mother Rabbit's barbecue sauce. Coming to stores soon. Whew! That's stinky. Tangy, yes. Tangy, you got your cider, you got your mustard. Now we gotta add some sweetness, because dang, that's tang. Are you impressed? Is that what that look was? Wow, I've never seen you so impressed because I said, dang, that's tang. You're weird. You tell me. Brown sugar. Some figgy fig spread. Fancy fig spread. And I'm gonna save the rest for our young adult group charcuterie board tonight. Get in there, goodness. Stir that in. I mean, fig spread is brown, so shouldn't that go perfectly in barbecue sauce? Let's do it. Get some ketchup in there. I also have to save some for our hot dogs tomorrow. It's starting to get bubbly, starting to heat down a little bit. Blend that all together. Looks like barbecue sauce, right? Now, if this does turn out successful, I'll have to watch the video to see what I did, because I don't remember already. I'll taste it now just to see if it maybe needs more sugar or not. And then I'm just gonna let it simmer. And then I gotta get the ribs in the oven. It's making an interesting sound. Oh my gosh, and that hasn't even simmered yet. Give me the camera. You have to taste this. Are you ready? You're gonna poop your pants. Blow in a little bit.
Ooh,
It's good.
That's
I didn't know I make barbecue sauce until today. See, that's the thing about cooking. Here, let me turn it back around. That's the thing about cooking. You don't know you can do it until you realize you don't have it in your house and you have to do it yourself. It tastes amazing, right? Fig spread for the win in barbecue sauce. Okay, do you think it needs maybe a little bit of salt? I didn't even add any salt, so maybe just a little. It's salty from the ketchup though. Maybe a little more brown sugar to make it sweeter.
Yeah.
Or it's pretty sweet as is, but let's do that, and then we'll taste it one more time and probably just let it simmer, right? Make sure I didn't ruin it. So good. Okay, I'm gonna put that to low. I'm actually gonna change it to a small burner because then it's even lower. I'm just gonna let it simmer. Gosh, hold on. Ow, it just burned me. All right, I'll see you back here in about 30 minutes and we'll see if it got better or worse. Our sauce has been simmering for, I don't know, 15 minutes, 20 minutes maybe, and it's getting nice and thick, so I'm gonna take it off the heat. We tasted it, it tastes amazing. Take a look at how nice and thick this is, and it's gonna thicken a little bit more as it cools. It almost tastes like a cross between barbecue sauce and the sauce that you would get on Chinese sesame chicken. I don't know why it doesn't really have like soy sauce or any Asian ingredients, but look at that sauce. I wish you could taste it. Well, you can. You can make it and then you can taste it. It is so good. So the heat's off and I'm just gonna let it sit and cool, and then I'm gonna brush it on our ribs. Check this out, guys. This homemade barbecue sauce on these gorgeous ribs. Delicious.